How to add funds to wallet on PS5. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. To add your funds to your PS5 wallet directly, you have two methods. One is through your web browser and another is from your PlayStation app. Either way, first and foremost, you need to sign in to your PlayStation account. Add your email address and select the next option. Once you have logged in, navigate to your settings, through which you have to check the option of payment settings, then select add funds. Next, you need to add a credit or debit card or add a PayPal account. You need to sign in to your PayPal account, or if you are adding your credit or debit card, you need to add your card number, your expiration date, and your CVV. If you already have added your cards, check out My Cards option and select the card through which you want to add funds to your wallet on PS5. Before adding the fund, make sure to check your balance on your PayPal or your credit or debit card. If you face any of the issue regarding the process, you can check out the help and support of PS5. And that is a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.